The last thing is exporting your scene. After you create a snapshot, material, and everything, and you can click on export. You can make it upload to the Koru cloud, you can server, or directly on the disk. It's better. It gives a HTML file that you can upload on your website anywhere that you want. And here is a template. You can tell, okay, the bottom word, the bottom was metadata. If you create metadata, you can create here. I like full screen, but the bottom is best because I create some snapshots. Progress bar, round progress bar. If you want to use this scene tree, you can use it here. But it's better. Next, you can type any HTML title here. If you want, you can use low resolution for optimizing your output on your website. You can block a script after that. You can create zip file out of your HTML file to upload on your server. You can add image resolution limit. If you have a higher texture, it limited that to better quality. And if you want to not downscale some texture, important texture, you can list your texture. You can see all of the texture. For example, these you can let it do not downscale the texture that you want. Just click in here, it does not downscaling. And next is go on your PC and select the name and then export it. And then waiting for exporting your HTML file. And done. You can open in browser. Okay, now we can see this is your, and now you can see it's changing the material based on the main. Nice. And you can upload it on the website. And you can see it gives you a HTML file. It's a little bit high. You have to downscale some texture to optimizing that. And don't forget to bake light maps. It helps you to down this number of megabytes in your file. Okay, that's it. Simple and straightforward software. I hope you enjoy it.